So how can you receive your SSS via GCASH? So how can you receive your SSS benefits via GCASH? So let's review that. So what do I need to be able to receive my SSS benefits in my GCASH account? Well, for one, you will need a my.sss account and an active GCASH account. And then the question is, does my GCASH account have to be fully verified to receive SSS benefits? No, you can receive SSS benefits even with a basic account. However, it is strongly recommended having your GCASH account fully verified. And then, non-verified basic GCASH accounts have lower wallet limits. Your SSS benefit payout may fail if the amount exceeds your GCASH limits. Then, basic accounts have also limited access to features in the GCASH app. Next, how can I enroll the GCASH account to receive my SSS benefits? Well, you can enroll your GCASH account to receive your SSS benefits by logging into your my.sss account at the SSS portal, www.sss.gov.ph. And then step-by-step instructions can be found in the SSS page. Basically, the supporting documents that you need would be a screenshot of your GCASH account and a GCASH registered account number. So basically, you just have to go to the profile on the GCASH app, then take a screenshot using your device of that profile. Then upload the screenshot as a supporting document in the SSS portal. Then, how will you know if you've successfully enrolled your GCASH account as they're receiving e-wallet for SSS benefits? SSS will send you two email notifications. First email notification confirming that SSS has received your request to enroll your nominated GCASH account. Second email notification indicates whether the application to enroll has been approved or disapproved. So how long is the approval process for enrolling the GCASH account to SSS? Approval times may vary. To help facilitate faster approval, ensure that you provide the correct account information and upload the screenshot of your account as your supporting document. How can I follow up the status of your enrollment? SSS advises its members to wait for the email update from SSS on the account enrollment status. So for urgent concerns, you may reach out to them by SSS Help Desk email. You can also email them at member_relations@sss.gov.ph or via phone +632 814 55. So I hope you found this vlog helpful. I'm Engineer Morgan Sa, your coach ng Bayan.